All right, I just want to show this new PowerCat Brock and McLean went and picked up in Wyoming. This is a, I think it's a 69. No, 59? I can't remember. PowerCat 16T. It runs. You paid $400 for it. It's got a 110. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yeah, 110. It does probably 30 miles an hour at the elevation we're at. It's got carpet. These seats are custom, I would assume. Came with a fish finder down there. But yeah, $400. The tilt trim works. We took it out. You'll see later on in this video. So yeah, this one, I think we're just gonna leave this one not as is. We gotta clean it up. It's pretty filthy. But we're gonna sand it, fill all these little holes, and maybe paint it at some point. But right now, I think it's just gonna be like the designated camera boat or fishing rig. We had it out, ripping. It went pretty good. We were using this as like a camera boat because we were testing out the 15T because Brock cut that jack plate on and we wanted to see if it made it any faster, but it was still dragging. So he had to come home and cut it. So you'll see that in this video as well.
All right, folks, today I got a jack plate on Facebook Marketplace for $40. Jane stuffed it underneath my boat. This massive unit. We've got going 35 mile an hour with one person in the boat on this exact setup with the 19 pitch prop.
The long shaft on the short transom.
We need more than that. So this is the before. We're gonna start taking it apart and put the jack plate on.
So the end goal is to raise this up. I mean, I think we're only just needing like 3 inches or so to get this in line with the transom. This is about mid-update. Brock's working on our bracket for our steering right now. I'll go video that in a sec, but jack plate's on. I think it's probably upside down, but this is the only way to get the bolt holes to line up. So it's pretty much maxed all the way out. However, it lines up a hell of a lot better with our, whatever you call this. So it's just above it, like maybe like 1/8 of an inch above it, but we're also sitting a couple feet or a couple inches further, maybe 5 or 6 inches further from the transom. So hypothetically, I think if the water rises, I don't know, we'll have to see how it goes. We changed the outdrive fluid. We also changed the trans fluid or whatever we were using for that tilt trim motor as well. But yeah, so now I think he's just making something out of flat bar. I don't know what he's doing actually. He said he was doing something fancy. Safety squints. This is kind of what I was thinking. What about middle? Look at this. Slide in here. throttle. Full throttle, Brock. Listen to it.
Oh, it's hauling now. Look at that.
It's still shooting the rooster tail up, which means we're dragging.
Kind of sick that it has a rooster tail.
Is that as close as he's gonna come for flybys? He better come. Jack plate went okay. It went better. We hit 37 or so. I think it's just these.
40, bro.
This right here, I bet you is what it was.
Well, it's still shooting water up.
It's
so
shooting water up
it's
this
catching
edge.
Bad somewhere.
I still think we put just an L bracket out right here.
I think we put the 115 on and we haul ass. Yeah, 135 saying bye-bye. Speed Demon 115.
No.
Hello.
The Magnum.
The Magnum Dong.
Literally. The Magnum.
So Brock's custom bracket lasted a solid day on the boat.
Yeah.
Well, we know what we can.
We just put, how come we don't just put this on the boat, bruh? On the mini.
The 14C? Because we have to put the jack plate on too. We have to flip the jack plate upside down and Brock ruined the jack plate, so we can't do that. All right, it's 12 a.m. This is where we're ending for tonight. The motor's mounted. Brock wired it all up. Fuel's connected. Throttle's connected. Steering is almost connected. We're just needing a bracket for this side that links up to the center. Sorry, the center right there. We moved the motor up from where it was sitting. So it's the red flat part. I don't even know what that thing's called. That's sitting probably 2 or 3 inches above the bottom. Yeah, the siren head sitting 3 inches above the bottom. And the propeller's probably, the tip's probably just about to the bottom of the transom.
Yeah, it's about 2 or 3 inches up.
Yeah.
Per Dick Davis's,
Well, he might have said something different, but the way he said it.
we tried to understand it. We are kind of idiots.
Yeah, and then I put some fluid in the outdrive. Brock cranked it over a little bit to make sure his spark was getting spark. He lubed up the choke.
We're gonna get more lube for the outdrive.
And do you have to do anything with the shifter box?
Yeah, all the wiring, everything's done.
Buttoned up.
I need to cut that, come off the front of that thing.
I think, what'd you say that was? The shifter for the other motor?
It's the power shifter.
The power shift?
15.
Or electric shift? But yeah, we're gonna be going so fast, we're not even gonna know where we're at. So we're gonna go like warp vision.
It's gonna go.
We're gonna do like 90 in this thing.
Light speed. Start blurring the things.
Yeah,
like
there's no drag. We've filled all the holes with 3M caulk.
I know, but there's no drag on.
How do we go from? I want this to be the daily to.
Because
this is now a full race.
the 16T is the daily now.
I seriously think we gotta put that on yours.
And then this is the 135 we took off. She's hanging.
Yeah, I say we take that off and then we put twin long shaft 115s on the 14C and we all die.
The long shaft wouldn't even, like, I don't think it would go that fast.
Twin.
I
Another
still
long
don't think
shaft
it would
in
go
there,
that
so
fast.
If you have two long shaft 115s.
That makes up for one short shaft, 115.
I will. Like I said, we have yet to see how fast this thing goes.
Well, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We went 40 today.
Yeah,
Oh,
I did
this thing-
39. I think I did 39 with you. Yeah, with no drag, I think we're doing 50 at least with our elevation. If you take it down to Arizona, I bet you're doing 55, 60.
I bet you on smooth Lake Havasu probably, but if we hit another choppy water, we're about
gonna need
to
to go out on a smooth day.
we're about to be
That's
at
about all
Apollo
it's supposed to be
23,
able to do,
man.
to be honest.
Freaking,
This boat can do a smooth.
we're gonna be flying.
Yeah, this is going to be a smooth water boat from here on out.
Rip.
So yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you later.